sponsors. And I particularly want to thank Prime Minister Modi and the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, Mohammed bin Salman.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Excuse me, Mohammed bin Salman.
How weird was that?
President von der Leyen and the European Commissions. Since he's not speaking today, I wanted to, maybe he is speaking today. I had a note he wasn't speaking. At any rate, I'm going to stop there. In Saudi, the sub-Saharan Africa, we're working. You know, there's that, one of my staff members said, remember the famous song, you know, Good Morning Vietnam? Well, good evening Vietnam.
Who? Okay.